You know, you should have avoided that in the first place. You know how much I dislike things of such nature. And since then, my heart has been pounding because you got me frightened.
You didn't take part in the fight, yet your heart is pounding.
Why not? I know my wife.
That shows that you're a weak man. Just preaching peace and all that.
Excuse me. Are you saying I'm not man enough?
Well, not really. That's not. You said it, and that's not what I said.
Mom, you should have avoided such degradable show. What was that?
Do you know who you're talking to? Eh? My show. Please. Spare me all that. Alright? If trouble comes my way, I fix it squared. Simple. You go and change now.
Sorry, then.
Oh, that's how you're not telling me sorry. Oh, okay. See how you're telling me sorry, eh? As if I'm somebody that you picked on the streets.
Okay. My love. My sweetheart.
Instead of saying that you wanted to kiss me, did you hear the sound?
The tiger, like tomorrow, you go and fight again.
Motorcycle, we are starting by the wayside. Okay.
You would have called me instead of calling back. You know I would have acted how it was you.
Kelechi, there would be no need for such public embarrassment anymore. You hear me? Mom, please, you should let certain things pass. Not everything needs a retaliation.
Please, everything needs a retaliation. If I let it pass tomorrow, it will come again. So if you deal with it at that moment, then there's no trouble in the future. And as for you, stop holding down your crutch. I've told you, you're not a boy. That doesn't make you strong or make you a man. If you don't have the property, you don't have the property.
No. Next time, if any episode comes up again, just take control to me and forget the rest.
I can't wait for the day that they will beat you mercilessly outside. I'm serious. Please, next time, don't be like this.
They will rock you.
Now you're the one in pains.
Please. If I take Panadol, it will go.
Sorry.
Yes. This has only taught me one lesson. Every morning before I go, I will eat correct fufu, send it home so that anybody that attacks me on the way will be properly dealt with.
Wonderful.
Yeah. I went to check on him. He appears very tired. I don't know.
Maybe because of that thing that happened.
I thought as much.
Let me check on him again.
Dad. What is it? What is it?
Okay.
Mommy!
What's wrong with you?
Mommy!
Papa! Father, what is it? Daddy, what is it? Daddy, what? I don't know. I don't know. Dad, wait. Call the doctor. Listen. Daddy, go to the shouting. Shouting. Calm down. Breathe in. Don't stop.
Doctor, get my father. Please come quickly. Daddy, he's not awake. Daddy.
Easy. Just calm down.
Daddy.
Calm down.
Daddy, no, Daddy.
What's the verdict? Thank God it's holding on time. I was close when her call came in. So, but what we'll do right now is take him straight to the hospital. Right now, we have to move him now. Please, get to sleep as I can. Lift him. Take it easy.
Which one of them sent such words from the village?
I am suspecting it must be a switch. You know that man? Nothing good comes out of his mouth except trash. But that's beside the point. What is hurting me now is my husband. My husband is no more.
Oh, it's okay. There's nothing we can do about it now. That is gone. Please. Who really needs to straighten our bonds? That's all. Please.
I'm even tired of crying. No more tears. I wish the tears would come. That's why I wouldn't be having this thing in my chest.
Okay. We'll be fine.
We need to put ourselves together. What has happened has happened. So we have to face the realities of life. It's a pity. It's really a pity.
You're right. We will be traveling to the village tomorrow. It's everything that's happening. We just have to be strong for each other. Please just face this reality.
That was so much. Okay? That was always with us. That was on his own, so let us put ourselves together.
Mom will be fine. We'll be alright. Just have to prepare our hearts for the challenges ahead. We know we are refuge, yes. But then we are a strong woman. It's true. I know we'll go through this.
Yes.
Oh, Nav, she's not back yet.
No, she went to the market.
Let's all put our things together now so that it will be easy for us.
I left unexpected. The love for me.
See this one. We are Finest Carnival event. This guy. Joe! Allah, what's up? Is this you? Yeah. I'm good, my nigga. Good to see you. Come here. My man. Look at Dikeh. Dikeh is not. Man, it's been a while. It's been long. How you doing, bro?
I just did.
Hey! Dikeh!
Man.
No. That's not that shit. Look at our bad guy.
Dikeh. But see my guys looking fresh and fly. When do I enter town now?
Man, actually, we've been in town for a while. We on leave, so just say let's do it local style.
Oh, you know. Come, Dikeh. This one you are staying down here. Dikeh, something is fishy. Dikeh, something must be in there. I know you now. Dikeh, come. Which way are you going now? I was going to check on Ebuka up there, but I don't know. I don't see you now.
No, forget about Ebuka. It's been a while now. So we are going this way first. After flexing and enjoying, we go back to see Ebuka. That's why we are here. That's why we are here. Let's go. Come from this side. Okay, let's go.
I don't tell you. Seriously, man. Now that you guys are in this village, trust me, our girls are in trouble.
Of course, they are in trouble.
Look at this one, Dikeh. I just wish you can use a megaphone to sound it so loud to enter this human being here, to enter his ear. Because I've been begging him, I've been persuading him to use this opportunity and at least pick a wife. But I think this man is choiceless. Because he will see fat girl is the best, slim one is the best, chubby. I beg, let's talk another thing, I beg.
That's a hot one on you, man. Hot punch.
Man, friends, I'll get married, but it's not just about getting a woman. What about a woman with character, intelligence, a woman that can pass good virtue to your children? That's the kind of woman I'm looking for. And when I see her, getting married.
I can't wait to see your wedding day.
The way I'm seeing this man, getting married now is not in his agenda. So let's just forget it and say something else. So, Dikeh, tell me, how has life been now? So tell me, how has life been treating you? Business?
My brother, the street is military. You
go
here now.
Abi.
You'll be here and there off and on. Today sell, tomorrow bell out, next tomorrow street fight. I wish I can just raise money and travel to Malaysia.
Dikeh, don't tell me you still fight. Dikeh, so you still make gra-gra. I think this is good things now.
Adema aka kukumba. I now know the police say we're gonna. What for you?
Dikeh, Abi. This guy, you will never change. I was thinking all this fight and gree is just for the age or something.
Put on small bitter leaf. Madam, do now the food now. I'm not put now. Bring the food now, I beg. This guy said, you know how to do this for this side carry.
My brother, take it easy now. Why are you rushing the food like that? You want to commit suicide? Eh?
You don't understand.
What do you mean by that? That I will not understand.
Dikeh said the street is military.
Dikeh said that the street is military and you want to commit suicide here? My brother, see, there is no water here for you to help yourself out. The swallow said choking you.
Madam, bring water now. Keep everyone they give without water, so bring water back.
May they bring water and you are rushing it. May they bring water.
If I tell you what they happen there, you know, see my brain. I think they tell you.
Yeah, you better swallow. Idiot. You better comport yourself. Eat like a gentleman, okay?
Bros, I heard that Dikeh has traveled out. Is it true?
That's what my mind you want to hear say Dikeh travel. Abi, what do you concern me concern Dikeh now? Abi na me body mama, Abi na dying grandmama wey die for that. I don't know whether they don't die. They survive for grave there. Tell you what come tell me. Man, they make her chop my food and then do me. So I agree.
Take it easy, my brother.
Osuji, there's something disturbing me. I don't like that woman and her daughter's countenance. Who are they? I am prepared more than they are. Let's begin as if you don't know what Ojubu can do. Leave them for me. My prayer is we should do everything we can to make sure that this woman succumb to our plans. We'll make sure we humiliate her. We'll make sure she did not have any access to our brother's properties, they must surely succumb after killing our brother. With her rape and arrogance. She thought that we will allow her to acquire all the properties. No, it's impossible. We will not allow her to do that.
No way.
Listen, first and foremost, she must have to fulfill all the traditional rites.
Yes.
Then you will see me in action. I will make sure that I will not allow her to touch a single pin of my brother's assets. Yes. I must fight in the enemies to make sure. In fact, I will fight in any way I like. Spiritually, emotionally, psychologically, with the gun, both and arrows. Just anything. Osuji, my brother, I am solidly behind you. Any way that woman wants it, we'll give it to her. We'll tell her that we own this place. What an arrogant and a frivolous woman. We will deal with her.
Let us. She's not seeing anybody.
She's a capitalist woman.
Give her that water. Give her the water. She must finish it. Wait! You have no respect for our tradition. What is wrong with you? What's it? You throw away this water?
Yes. And I will throw it away from you again.
Humiliation. You have no respect for her.
Are you ready to fix a date for your brother's burial? Yes or no?
Did you hear her question? Can we fix a date for the burial of the deceased? Your brother!
Yes, stop it away.
He's running.
That woman and her endless life think that they can withstand our tradition. They can, isn't it? They can. Do you enter your mouth?
Yes, Papa. I just prayed because I've tasted something very terrible.
Hey, Ndongwam. Osuji, I will deal with that woman and those her daughters. They think it's over. It's not over. This is just the beginning. I will deal with them. It's not over yet. It's not over. Hey! But there's something disturbing me. You know, with intimidation, we have fixed the burial day.
Forget about it. We know what to do next. They think that we are playing. Forget about that. We know what to do next.
Edition.
Just trust me. Edition. Take it.
So Uncle Osuji, in all his ranting, could dread the threats of some men?
Lousy man. That man. But anyway, thank God they even fixed the date. Because that was our major concern. Those men were trying to spoil things for us. They're trying to ruin everything.
They can't try it. They dare not try it while I'm here. No. It's not possible. No. But they can't try it.
I trust you. I know what you can do.
You know me now.
What's wrong with those people?
Mom, we're with you all the way. All the way. We're all in.
I trust my girls.
Thank you very much. We're very grateful.
You're welcome. Are you sure you won't be needed us in subsequent times?
No, I don't think so. But if the need arises, I'll place a call through to you.
Alright, you know where to find me. Is everything there?
Complete.
Everything.
Everything. Trust me. Alright, thank you.
You'll be counting on me to operate on this. Let's get out.
For notice here.
It seems they have gone. Madam, finally, of course, they think that it's all over because the timing has taken place already. Teresa is a liar. She's a very big liar. She don't know that this is just the beginning. Like I said earlier, that I will physically fight with that woman. I fight with her physically, emotionally, spiritually, and other. I can even use God to chase her to make sure that I deal with her. Osuji, I told you that I'm solidly behind you. Thank you very much. We will deal with this woman. I get even one that cannot know why they hear your mama. I can miss I will deal with this woman.
Come here, come back here. What is the meaning of this? What are you putting on? If somebody sees you dressed like this, what would the person call you? A boy or a girl? Which one? Eh? Look at what she's giving. Just a minute.
Madam, will you mind your business? What's your problem?
Me mind my business when you dress like this. Eh? I know you lack proper upbringing because you don't have home training at all. That is why you go about insulting others in the village. Look at how you dress. Even if you insult me, I'm not surprised.
Oh, so you probably gossiping about me? See? That I talk to elders anyhow, right?
Look at yourself. Eh? I know you're useless because no man will marry you like this.
I'm useless.
Of course you are. You're useless. No man can marry you like this. No man.
You said me I'm useless.
You are useless.
I'm useless.
Somebody should help you. She has yet my daughter. Somebody should help you.
Teresa, you have no right whatsoever to stand against our tradition. Who do you think you are?
I am Teresa, a woman that knows her right in her husband's home and in the society. I owe you nothing.
You lie! You owe us a lot. As long as you are married to our brother, you owe us your total submission to fulfill this obligation. Yes.
I will not do that.
Huh?
Yes. If you like, you can stand there and rant and say whatever you like. I will not listen to you. But let me tell you something. Eh? Be ready to dance to the tune of the Gedege dance that only you can hear.
This woman has a lot of courage. No wonder. Look at her. Look at how she's dressed. Wearing her shape. Instead of mourning her husband. Look at her.
Is that the genesis of your Sokosu?
Okay, we're not doing
the one that is killing you people. Where we are dressed. It's none of your business. Anyway, we decide to mourn our husband and our father. And besides, my husband, while he was ill, said that anytime he passed on, we should look good. Yes! Mom. We should not be sad. We should look good.
I told you. So your husband knew you were going to kill him. So he was making wishes to you to look good, plus good hair. Hey! Better. You killed our brother.
You're ashamed of yourself. It's a pity you don't even know what killed your brother. Your brother was in hospital for how many years? Suffering from cancer. You never came. You never contributed.
Which cancer? Osuji was a very strong man. Which cancer? Which cancer?
But let me ask you, woman. How dare you stand against the elders of this family and our traditions? Huh?
Mom, please just take it easy. No matter what, they are the elders of this family.
Don't leave her, Sumatana. Leave her. Let her show us her muscle. Because of those hoodlums she brought the other day. I can make it here.
Please, enough of all this you're ranting. Get out of here. Can you please get out of my compound?
Eh? You are asking us to get out of our brother's house? Come on.
You heard her.
I got to get by the head and we shall go family.
You
ready to face another phase of your life? Come on.
You can't do more than a rotten dead rat.
But I can't tell you.
Old men. You, as if you're the only elders in this family. Both of you always sneaking and snooping around. Jobless looking for where to eat on Usu.
Teresa! Where's that your stupid daughter who behaves like a boy? Where is she?
He's so stupid. Yeah. Okay. What is the matter with you? Why are you shouting?
Where is she?
Why are you roaring like a madman? What is it? Getting for?
Where is the idiot that behaves like a boy?
You know, I thought you were a respectable elder in this village, but obviously you're not. You walk in here and abuse my child. What kind of unruly manner of approach is that?
You train nuisance. They go about molesting and bullying people who are minding their business. You better warn her. You better warn her before I deal with her. Look at what she has done to my wife.
Look at the bully coming. This girl really dealt with me. Look at my face. You don't put that Look at what she did to me.
About that, we really can't talk. Look at an ugly woman that the husband has been using as a punching bag. Says you're the one that gave her all the apple. You should be ashamed of yourself. So this small child can beat you up.
She's not a girl.
And then you went and brought this little man to do what?
She's a boy. Look at what she did to my face. She's not a girl.
Because Ini Edo, is it not better to be unladylike and live up to my responsibility than be a full-grown idle man who sits and depends on his wife's struggle? His useless wife that doesn't mind her business. That will beat her.
You are insulting me.
And what will you do? What will you do?
You will see. You will hear.
No, please.
Because you are starting a trouble you will not be able to finish.
Of course, they will hear from us.
Let us go.
This is not the end. You and your mother. People should wait for us.
Let us go.
Who wait for us? Let's go.
Let them go. See the man said, see where I go. This man is. Janga now. Ọkọchị ụgụrụ isi ọkpụkpụ ọgbọ n'elu ukwu ọ na-esheki dị ọkpụkpụ dị ebe a. Ka ndị n'ebe a. Greetings, so. To what do we owe this visit?
We have come to carry out one of our tradition, which is barbing of your hair. It is sign of mourning your husband.
Barbing of hair. Barbing of hair. Are we still talking about barbing of hair in this day and age? Come on, it's a thing of the past now. And that makes you differ.
It's our tradition. It is our tradition and it has come to stay.
Well,
no one can change it. Not even you.
Yes. Well, I'm sorry. I will not be a part of this tradition.
This is a mandate, and you must comply, or we force you.
So you force me to do what? Are you crazy or something? You cannot force me to do anything because I won't do it.
We have come here to shave you. Stop talking.
It is not possible. You cannot touch my hair. Wait. Yes, even you. That I paid your son's school fees last week. You're here to shave my hair. I don't blame you people. It's because I'm not part of this village. I'm not from this village. You. I remember about 2 months ago. 2 women buried their husbands. You personally helped one woman to fix ribbon on her hair on the day of her husband's burial. And now you're here to cut my own hair in our voila. You cannot try it.
Your case is different. We are suspecting you killed your husband, my brother. Prove your innocence by shaving your hair.
If you fail to yield to this, Gineme, consider yourself being cast out of this village.
Vanish!
Chopo, vanish.
What? As though we live in an era of slavery or what?
Shut up, young girl! Shut your mouth. Don't tell my daughter to shut up, woman. Okay, Nedo. Just remember this. Of course, your son's school fees can't be paid again. No.
My mothers, please. Go. Return tomorrow for this, please.
No. We must do it here and now. We must shave her hair.
No, Susan. The young girl has spoken well. Let's return tomorrow for this. It is just few hours. Yes.
Good. Tomorrow. But you, Onumbada, take this plate. Keep it for me if I come tomorrow. Let me not look for you. Because I will use it to shave my hair. Let's go.
No, this was begging me for a bag of rice. I told her I couldn't do it now. Now help you raise your baby. Can you boy sing first? You see, no, this woman
Mom, do you want to say these women? They're out for destruction. And I'm sure we're not ready for that.
Just serve the dreamer. It's like you have another revolution, right?
Please, Keke. I wasn't talking to you, okay? It's not a laughing matter. What is it?
We all know it's not a laughing matter. But is there any time you pray and you don't have a revelation? Is there?
Nat, please. Hold it. I wasn't talking to you, okay? No. What do you think about these women? Because they're very angry. They're out for something.
You're right. As a matter of fact, I have no plans for that. I'll just wait for them to come back. Then I would know what to do.
Will you two stop teasing and be nice for once?
This is so surprising. How did you just suddenly have a change of mind without even informing me?
What is it? What has my brother's wife done to you? You, when your sister's husband died, you didn't shave her hair. You came to me and begged me not to allow them shave her hair. There are other women in this village that their husband died. We did not shave their hair. So why will my brother's wife case be different? Why?
Okay. But why didn't you tell other women? You just take the decision yourself. Is it good like that?
No. Let's tell ourselves the truth. It's not mandatory that we must shave her hair. You know it's because of her stubbornness that we decided to punish her. So right now I have changed my mind. I have changed. I am no more interested in shaving her hair. I don't want us to shave her hair again.
Okay, how can we know that her hands are clean?
Why are you troubling yourself? Don't worry. This is our family issue. It's our family case. We will sort it out ourselves. When we go inside, we'll sort it out. No problem. Don't bother yourself.
Okay, if you said so, let's do it like that.
Exactly.
I'm going now.
Greet your family for me.
It's okay.
My elders, you're so relaxed. I don't recall inviting you to my house.
No, Teresa, hold it. We don't need your invitation before coming to our brother's house.
Suji, the sportsman, always ready to talk. Well, you've always been the vocal one amongst the rest of them. Now, why are you people here? I'm sure you want to accuse me of not fulfilling some custom or tradition.
In case you have forgotten, there is a time when certain rites need to be fulfilled. But in our own tradition, in our own time, you would like to stand against the elders. This time it will not work for you.
It will never work. Those traditions must be fulfilled.
I am happy you've spoken like men. I mean real men. I applaud you. So,
since our brother is no more, tradition demands that you automatically become the wife of one of his brothers.
Don't misunderstand me. Okay, so who am I supposed to get married to?
Osuji, of course. Since you have no nature to protect our brother properties, Osuji will become your husband to protect all Uzobia properties. That is our custom and tradition.
What? You guys are jokers.
Huh? Please stop that nonsense. Who invite this liability to put Mount where elders are discussing the importance of this family?
Huh? Osuji, please. You can insult me, say whatever you like, bring up any kind of tradition, but don't you ever call my child a liability. I won't take that.
But do you know that you can be punished, you can be disciplined for this, showing this respect?
My elders, I'm very sorry. Please, let the meeting continue.
Young lady, if you know what is good for you, do not speak in this meeting again.
As it stands now, we call this meeting short.
Yes.
But next week, when we come here, you must have handed over the documents of our brother's property to his brother Osuji, who incidentally will become your husband.
No problem. Both the old and the new ones that you will come up with. No problem.
And by the time we come, before we come, we send word across to you other important customs and traditions that will also need to be fulfilled. Before we come, we'll send word across to you. Nice woman. Good.
You know, those elders need to be taught a lesson. They really need to be taught a lesson.
Mom, I think we should be more respectful when we relate to them, so that they'll just bear the intents of their hearts. You know, just let us know all that they have in their mind. Then we can act on our own accord.
I didn't quarrel with anyone. I held my temper because I have a plan. I do have a plan.
Whatever it is, let's just be done with these family disturbances until we're done with the mourning period. I think those macho men will come in handy.
The macho men? No. I'm done with them. They need to leave.
Mom, I know you're done with them. But I think we can invite Uncle Osuji. Let him come over for lunch. Give him all those things that he likes, you know, entice him. And you tell him you want to discuss that property and how to share them and stuff, you know. If he decides, if he wants to see some documents, we can provide some fake documents for him.
What do the macho men have to do with this?
The macho men? Yes, Mom, here's it. The macho men would hand Uncle Osuji a script. Of course, they will be there so that he would heed to the obedience. He'll have to act out a scene where he will show his aggressive nature. He's going to be very vicious. He would have a knife. He would want you to have sex with him, you know. And then if you resist, he's going to just, you know, to kill you and your daughters, you know. Something like that. Something very incriminating, so that I have it in my head, but I'm sure it will work. Oh, it should work.
You're a real witch. Mom, are you sure it will work?
Let's just work on the script. I'm the director, you're the producer.
No. You are producer. I am actor. And you're a mature man. You will direct.
Well, it's going to work. Trust me on this one.
I think so. Let's see how it plays out.
Nkole! Why are you coming to my house? What can I do for you? What's good about this afternoon? Why are you here?
Uncle, I know that the present rift in our family has interrupted our relationship, but definitely not the relationship you once had with my father and brother. And that's why I'm here.
Then what's your message?
Uncle, first and foremost, I want to apologize on behalf of my mother and my sisters. I know they haven't been nice to you. Despite our arguments, you know you have been held in high regard. My father's wish cannot be flaunted. What must be done must be done.
What do you want next?
Uncle, I want you to come for lunch tomorrow so that you and my mother can talk things over like one family.
How could I come to your house to take lunch with your mother, who is so arrogant? Huh? Huh?
Uncle,
it is not possible.
the matter at hand now is not about my mother, but your brother. You know you have a place in this neighbor, and we cannot deprive you of what is due. And you know how I hold my father's words. I don't joke with them.
What happens is that I am listening to you because you are quite different from my brother's children. You are an obedient child. You do respect others, and you do respect me as well. You do behave like your father, not like your mother. So what happens is that I will be there because of you. You don't understand me? But I want you to uphold your character. You are doing very well. When do you want me to come?
Uncle, tomorrow lunchtime.
Okay, that's all right. I will be there. Eh?
Thank you.
Thank you. Nkole!
This was what we will not do. It's not it. What is it?
That is not what we discussed.
It won't work that way. No.
Wait. I don't know why two of you are always in I have told you that I'll take care of that woman. I will handle her very well. That woman is like an eggshell that can easily be cracked. So, we should relax. Huh?
Osuji, tell us the plan. All of us are in this thing. Tell us, what is your plan?
When the time comes, I'll let you know.
Time of what?
You are the one that was telling us to act fast so that we'll get grab of our brother's property. You are now telling us to calm down. Osuji, I don't know what you are up to. I don't know.
Osuji, is this the same Osuji I know?
It's me, Osuji.
Is it the same you, the greedy Osuji I know, that is acting like this?
I'm surprised. We all arrange on how to deal with this woman and her daughters to get our brother properties.
Exactly.
And share them. Everybody will be living well. You are not asked to hold on, to calm down. Listen. What are we waiting for?
Listen. Everything is under control. People should relax. Just relax.
Control. Osuji, let me tell you. Control or no control. What I am saying is this. Just have it in mind that I have a share in my brother's property. I don't want to hear story at the end of the day. Did you hear me?
It's alright.
Bros, if you want to stay, you can remain here. I'm on my way to my house.
I'm going to. I also don't want to hear any story. I don't want to hear. Yeah.
But I don't know anything.
We want to have a meeting with you.
Are they already?
Yes, they are the first room by the right.
Okay, the first room or the second room?
The first one by the right, Uncle Suji. Yes. That was going to be your room in this house. Mr. Greedy bastard. Your end is near. You got this one, yeah? You do.
I just hope he falls into this trap we set for him. He wants to take over the properties, everything that I gave up for, and then turn me into his wife. That's so never-end. Well, we'll see. You're welcome.
Beautiful woman. You want to see me?
Sit down.
Tell
me. You know, the reason I sent for you, the lawyer came. He brought the documents to the land and property, everything. So I figured I should hand everything over to you.
Thank you very
After
much.
all, I'll soon become your wife. I'm already your wife.
This is what I always wanted. I've been asking you of this, man. Thank God that you realized that it belongs to me.
I know, I've always liked you, but you're always playing so...
I love you so much. That's the thing now. There will be no more problem again. No more problem. So I'm happy to hear that.
Well, you saw the children when you came now.
Of course.
But I'm going to find a way to send them.
I think you're not coming.
Just relax, okay? Enjoy the place, make yourself comfortable. Let me go and get the documents. I'll be back. Okay?
I'm waiting.
I left unexpected. The love for me, it always be there. Yes, we can. Whenever we please.
Mom, you deserve an award. An Oscar to be precise. I didn't know you could make such a good actress.
I can't help it.
I never knew this man could be this foolish. Ordinary trial. And he fell like that.
I knew he would fall for it. I just knew it was not just greed, but lust as well. Tell me, how many wise men will ask their late brother's wife to come marry them even when he has not been buried? That's absurd.
You know, it's a good thing we got this video. I'm going to edit it very well and send it around for the entire village to see how cruel and foolish a respected man like Osuji can be.
Exactly.
Let's see who will be shunned by the family and society, you know. This will cause a very big range between him and the other elder.
Yeah.
Don't tell me all these were planned.
Oh.
Please, just...
Mom.
Don't worry. It has nothing to do.
I'm lost.
I know. Keep your cool.
Sweetie, don't worry. Grace will find you.
Take a chill pill.
She's lost.
Look at her, daughter of the devil, and she's here.
You're a disgrace to mankind. You're an embarrassment. Look at you. Nothing good can ever come out of you. You tried to rape your late brother's wife in her own house?
Hey!
While she's still in mourning? This man, you're a disgrace. Eh? What kind of human being are you? What kind of man are you?
Teresa, please calm down. Let's handle this issue on ground.
Don't even tell me to calm down, because this man is an embarrassment, a disgrace, not just to this village but to the whole world.
Hey!
Don't you have any control, no self-control? Listen, I'm here to warn you. Don't ever come close to me, nor to my children, nor near my premises. Else, I will teach you a lesson you will never forget. I will disman you if you try it. He goat without horns. Nonsense. Let me find you near me again. You will see what I'll do.
Osuji, you are a disgrace to this family.
Hey. Susan,
Osuji.
You see why Osuji was asking us to relax? He had an ulterior motive. Hey.
Osuji, you are a disgrace to this family. I didn't know you are up to this.
Greedy and selfish one at that. What a life. You are a disgrace to this family. No wonder you asked us to relax. Because you have your plan. Evil plan. How come you are my brother?
Hey. Why did you leave my car to fix another person's car? You know how long I've been waiting for you. Are you silly?
It's a day of that with pleasure, please. I'm going to do and let her know.
Listen. Leave that car right now. Go and fix my car.
What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? Please don't push it.
What is your problem? Did I talk to you? How
can you come from nowhere and ask him to stop fixing the car he's fixing and fix yours? What nonsense is that?
I was talking about my car, not even your car.
And where the hell is your car?
You can see your manners.
Are you mad? What kind of dog are you? What breed are you? Why are you barking?
I don't beat women. If I do, I will beat the hell out of you.
Please, you're a toothless dog. Will you fix this car? Nonsense.
Hey, fix this car. If I come back, I'll pay you.
Please, will you evaporate from this place? Get out. What is the guy even talking about? Borrow pose. Nonsense. My friend, fix this car.
Money will blow. How is what? Good.
My car broke down.
I just see someone. Just visit us like a president once in a while. Wow.
That's why I said I'm extreme.
How are your parents?
They are fine. They said they are.
Don't tell me that you and your invisible boyfriend are back together.
Who says he's invincible?
Huh? And why haven't I met him?
You haven't met him because you were too busy before we had the last fight. But Dikeh has met him.
So I have a surgical school for him.
He's doing well, and soon he'll be through.
Yeah. He's really growing in his career.
Do
you know that Dr. Hassan was about 40 years or more when he finished from West African School of Surgeons? So for your boyfriend to be there, he should be intelligent.
Don't worry, you'll meet him, okay? Do you know, I was shocked when he told me that his father's sister got married to a native of this village.
Really?
Yeah. He said he's coming to see them, so I just pay me a visit.
Wedding bells are ringing.
What a coincidence.
Yeah, you can say that again. I can't wait to see him.
Yeah, you will.
I'm going to school him.
Huh?
Please. Do you know what it is to be with anybody in this family?
Do not disturb his brain when he comes in. As if he do anything.
So he's talking. Man, boy.
Papa, so you can be this cool. I mean, I know the whole show sounds tactical, and anyone could fall for it. But no one can believe you. Except I, your stone. Okay, now tell me, Papa. How do you intend to curb this shame and disgrace that witch of a woman and her children has painted you with? How?
Papa, are you going now? Yes, but I will be back shortly.
Okay. This means that Teresa will not leave any pin for us here. No way. I must get a hold of something, whether by hook or crook. I must ransack that home.
Matt, come to think of it, when is Toby taking you?
He said in 2 hours. Okay. Yeah, in 2 hours. And you're seated here like this. I'll go in and dress and everything. You better look good.
Morning.
Morning, good. Yeah.
How was your night?
Good.
Mom, there's how I'm feeling. There's this feeling I'm having.
Divine Joseph. Have you had another revelation?
Nat, please, I wasn't talking to you. What is it? Are you my mom? I'm talking to her, please. Mom.
Yes.
I'm having this funny feeling. I don't understand. As if something bad is about to happen to us. I don't know.
Well, don't you think maybe it has to do with the fever you complained about last night? Malaria.
Mom, please, it's not that. I'm fine. It's not that. I know what I'm saying.
Let me explain something to you. Most times when people have fever, it comes with hallucination, nightmares, all kinds of negative things that affect the brain. But not to worry, later today I'll take you to see the doctor.
Mom, it's not the fever.
I'm fine. I'm fine, it's not the fever. It's that time you start taking things seriously. Now watch how you talk to your mother. Is it me you're being awful? I won't take it, alright? I'm sorry. You're better be. What's funny?
So, my name is where we get like, from here you get to Mirochi.
Oh,
yeah.
Mirochi.
I think she's around.
Really, your auntie?
See? What is wrong with you?
I don't know, I feel somehow.
Somehow about right?
I don't know if I'm going to be loved.
Oh, my aunt will like you, okay? Seriously, she's a very nice person.
And you believe everything she says?
Why not? I do. Just calm down. You love her too. Right?
Okay.
Hey, Zubby, my son.
How are you?
How are you?
I'm fine, and you? I brought some water for you.
I see.
Hey. You know why? Why, Mom? As I know you like her.
Is she not the result?
Oh, yes.
Hey! You want to marry her? Hey! God forbid. You can't marry from that family. They are very arrogant and will not be part of this. Besides, your father will not be part of this. See, let me tell you. Be warned. Be warned. Before I turn round, just take this girl out of my family. Take this girl out of here. This arrogant girl. Take her out from here. Ha! You want to marry? You don't even see any other place to get married. From Teresa's family. God forbid. Go. Take her out. I don't want to see her again. Go. Go. Take her out. I don't want to see her here again. Go. Out. Just go. Hey! God forbid bad things. Try.
Sunday is not going on. Try to. They say no reachable. No reachable. It's not still going.
Alright, let's go. Where's your Madina?
I can't get her on phone.
But she's meant to take us to the hospital now. What will we do now? I'm too tired and I can't drive. Anyway, maybe we should trek to the hospital. It's not too far from here. Let's go.
It's not far now. We can trek.
I'll drink the car keys.
No problem.
Let me drink the car keys. Let's go.
Let's leave here. Let's leave here. Please. Let's leave here. Let's leave here. Let's go.
Why did you leave the car open? Hey! Jesus.
Mama! Because it happened in your house, you must be part of the old taking to prove your innocence. Exactly. That you do not have a hand in the death of my son. Exactly.
God knows that my hands are clean. I have no part in your son's death. Besides, his accomplice Solu actually confessed that they came to my house to steal some documents and vandalize my car. While they were inside the car, vandalizing it, your son started shaking, jerking, and then he passed on. Nah, I will not be part of anything diabolical. What are we even talking about? The police are already investigating the case. Let us wait for them to come up with the results of the investigation. Then we'll know how to handle the matter.
Now my son is dead because of you. Bet me you will leave this village without a child as well.
That's why you will lose all your children before I lose one of mine. You're not ashamed of yourself, old man. You think my children will die before you? You don't even know what you're saying. We're covered by the blood of Jesus.
Blood of Jesus.
Oh, this man, you've not seen anything. The Holy Spirit lives in this house and within my children. I'm Pama. 2 old men walking around looking for blood to suck. Blood suckers.
Mom, can't we wait, please? It's just a few hours to morning, please.
No.
Let's wait.
We can't wait. The drive is not too long. It's just 4 hours from here. Okay? And God will be with us.
I'm not just comfortable with this night drive. Seriously, I'm not, Mom.
Look at our young man is afraid of the dark or what? We're leaving. Divine here says we can leave, and all your sisters are saying we can leave, right?
Yes, I want to go. Good. There's nothing wrong in leaving this night. I can even drive if you want. Let's go this night. Let's just go.
Yeah, let's just go. Are these all we're going with? Yes, we're leaving the rest of the things behind.
Let's leave it there.
Till we come back.
Yes.
Okay. So we're really going?
Yes, we are.
Bring what? Bring this.
Come back here.
Oh, are you for real?
Excuse me.
I'll make sure I drop you in the bush. Look at this child. If you ask me, why are you running from the village now?
God.
It feels so good to be back. Really? Yes. Yes, it does. Oh, we arrived home safely.
And most importantly, we conquered everything.
We didn't really conquer because of our education, our physical strength, even by the grace of God. If you ask me, also we always put the Lord first and
Sister Mary.
She's right, man. It's true.
Evangelist. This one I just... What are you doing here?
I left the village the day you said goodbye. It wasn't my intention to leave you.
How did you even know you were back?
I called your line, but it wasn't going through, so I had to call your mom. She told me. Will you marry me? Please.
You know, they say men are moved by what they see.
and women by what they hear. But you are moved by what people say. I love my family and my health so much. I can't compromise.
Let's just say this. I know I love you.
I cannot marry you. I can't. I can't marry a man who judges people by what he hears. I can't!
Please.
Goodbye to me.
Please. Please, help me take her, please. Can you call her so that immediately?
I thought you could back.
If you move there, I say stop there. Are you mad? Look at her ugly face.
Your mother thinks she can kill my own brother and go scot-free in this village, okay?
Okay, leave me alone. I didn't do anything to you.
All right.
No.
I will barb you here and now.
You can leave me alone.
Messiagi vetata. Imana madaka ako kukumba.
You can leave me alone.
I'll barb you here today.